Good morning students, welcome to my class. So, in your maths class, in class 1B, today we are going to do maths ladder book. Okay, please see, this is your maths ladder book. We have done this book in our live class today, and in our video class also we are going to do this. Okay, so you see here, this is practice book for mental maths. Okay, in this book only you have to practice. You don't have to copy down anything in your copies because the space is already given here. So this is known as practice book. Okay, you have to do this. So let us start with chapter 1. We are going to start with chapter 1, that is numbers up to 10. You please see the board. Okay, this is class 1B maths chapter 1. Okay, we are doing numbers up to 10. Alright. Please see here, look at the number and draw the correct number of shapes. So you see children here how many things you are learning here? You are learning the number, you are learning the shapes. Okay, now when you are drawing the shapes, you have to color them also. Alright, you see here, like number 4 is already given there, 4 circles are given. Okay, so you color the 4 circles according to the choice of your color. What color you want to shade it, you use that color please. Okay, so suppose you want to use red, you can use red, you can use blue, you can use green, you can use yellow, whatever you like. Alright, so you see here 4 is given, the number 4 is given and 4 circles are drawn. Next one you see, I have drawn here 7. Okay, 7 is the number, so 7 squares I have drawn. 7 boxes. It's like a square. So I have drawn here 7 boxes. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have drawn 7 boxes and I have colored one. I have colored one box. Okay. In that way you are going to color it. Okay. So you see here, in this way you can color all the boxes. Okay. You see, in this way you can color, fill in the colors nicely. You fill in the colors with whatever colors you want, okay? With whatever colors you want, according to your choice, you can fill the colors, alright? Okay, in this way you fill. All the 7 boxes you fill. Alright, next one you see, this is 3 triangles I have drawn here. The number is 3. So the shape is given of a triangle. I am going to draw 3 triangles. So I have done it here, 3 triangles. Okay, next one you see, 5 oval shapes are given. So I am going to draw 5 shapes, alright. So in that way you draw, okay. You have to do this in the book itself. You have already done in the live class. All those who have not done, please do it in the book, okay. Next one you see, count the objects and match them to the correct number and number name. You have to match them. The objects, see here, some objects are given. Okay, like flowers, toffees, kites, balloons, apples, hats, then pastries, balls. These pictures are given here. So you have to match them to the correct number and number name. Correct number and number name. You see here I have drawn 4 flowers. I have drawn 4 flowers. So you see what will be the number? The number will be 4. 4 flowers. So the number will be 4. And what will be the number name? Number name will also be 4. Therefore you are 4. Number name means you have to write in the spelling form. Okay. So you see 4 flowers are given. Okay. Then 6 toffees are given. 7 kites are there. 5 balloons are there. 9 apples are there. 2 hats are there. 8 pastries are there. Then at last 3 balls are there. You please match with the number and the number name here only in the book itself. This was page 6. Okay. Next page, let us move to next page. This is page 7. Okay. Count the objects and write the number which comes just before it. So children, you see here. Here you know what comes before, what comes after. You already know this. Okay. So you have to count the objects. First one you see there, 5 monkeys are, 6 monkeys are there. Pictures of 6 monkeys are there. Okay. So but here in the box it is written 5. You have to write the number which comes just before it. Okay, this is before in the form of pictures. We have to write. So 6 monkeys are there. What comes before 6? 5 comes. Okay. Now you see how many water bottles are there? 10 water bottles are there. So what comes before 10? 9 comes before 10. You write down 9 there. Okay. Then you see 5 huts are there. 5 huts are there. So before 5 what comes? 4 comes before 5. You can write down. Okay. 3 aeroplanes are there. So before 3 what comes? 2 comes. Okay. So just right here you can see. See, 6 monkeys are there. So what comes before 6? What comes? 5 comes. Okay. Before 10 water bottles are there. What comes before 10? 9 comes. Okay, in this way. Okay, I am not drawing the pictures, I am only writing the numbers. Okay, 5 huts are there. Okay, so before 5 what comes? 4 comes. Okay, then you see 3 aeroplanes are there. What comes before 3? 2 comes. Okay, so in this way you are going to do. Next one you see, count the objects and write the number name which comes just after it. This we were doing before. Now we are going to do after. Okay, count the objects and write the number which comes just after it. We have to write down the number that comes just after. Okay, use the number line if you want. See, number line if you want you can use, no problem. Here already one number line is given. If you don't know you can refer to the number line. But I hope all of you know, isn't it? All these things you know. Okay, next one you see. This is page 7. I am writing here page 7 so that you understand. Okay. This is page 7 number 1. This is page 7 number 2. Okay. Now you see, count the objects. How many televisions are there? 3. So after 3 what comes? After 3 4 comes. We have to write the number that is after. After 3 4 comes. See here how many cats are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 cats are there. So after 8 what comes? 9 comes. Okay. How many balls are there? 6 balls are there. 6 balls are there. So after 6 what comes? 7 comes. Okay. Then one board is there. After 1 what comes? 2 comes. So after and before we have done. Page number 7 we have already done. Okay. Okay. Now page number 8. You see page number 8. Write the number that comes between the given numbers. Okay, we have to say this. We have to write the number. Okay. You see here we are doing now page number, this is page number 8. Okay, this is chapter 1 only. Okay, chapter 1, page number 8 we are doing. Okay, this is page 8. Okay. Now you see here, write the number that comes between. So we have to write the number that comes in between. Okay, between. Okay. Now you see here A is given. Okay. So you see here 6 is given. Then dash. Then you all know all these things. Okay. So you do, because you are doing all these things in the book. You do one thing. They have circled all these things. It is circled. You see, in the form of rings, it is all circled. Okay, so you can do one thing. Okay, you just color the circles. Leave 6 and you just color the circle. Leave 8 and you just color the circle. It will be an activity for you, because all these are activities you are doing. Okay, so this will be an activity also, and practice for you also. Okay, so you please color it. Okay, 6, just write down 7. If you want to color 7 also, you just color it. Use 3 different colors. Okay, or 2 colors you use, common color, 1 different color you use. It will be very nice. Okay, in that way you can do. Okay, 6 and 8. In between 6 and 8 what comes? 7 comes. 6 7 8. Okay, next number you see 7 dash 9. What comes in between? 7 and 9. 8 comes. Okay. Alright. Next you see C. 4 dash 6. What comes in between 4 maths, you have to practice every day, isn't it? Okay. 5-7. You see here, 5-7. What comes in between 5 and 7? 6 comes, isn't it? 6 comes between 5 and 7. Okay. Number E. You see 1-3. 1-3. What comes between 1 and 3? 2 comes between 1 and 3. Alright? Okay. Next one you see 8-10. Okay? 8-10. What comes in between 8 and 10? What comes? You all know. 9 comes. Okay? Alright. Now you see here number 2. Color the square with greater number green. Now you see here, this is very interesting. This will be interesting for you also. Number 2, this was number 1. This was number 1. Okay, number 2. Let us see number 2. 4 and 7 it is given. Okay, 2 boxes are made. 2 boxes are made, 4 and 7. Alright, 2 boxes are made, 4 and 7. Now you see here, color the square with the greater number green. So which one is the greater number? 7 is the greater number. You color that with green, okay? With crayons or pencil colors, you please color it with green. Okay, use green color because it is mentioned. Okay, it is mentioned there, so you color it with green, okay? In this way you can do, color it with green, okay? Next number 8 and 10, only 2 I will show you. Rest you can do yourself. 8 and 10. Draw 2 boxes, 8 and 10. So which one is greater number? We have to color it with green. The box with the greater number, we have to color it with green. So you see here 10 is the greater number. So you just color it with green. Here I am just showing you. With chalk only I am coloring, filling it up. Okay, just with green, you color it. Okay, okay. So you can easily understand that. All right, color the square with green. Color the square with the greater number green. Just you use green. Number C, you see 9 and 3. 9 is greater, so color it with green. Color 9 with green. Number D, 4 and 2 are there. So 4 is the greater number, you have to color it with green. E, 5 and 6. 6 is the greater number, so color it with green. F number 1 and 5. So 5 is the greater number, you please color it with green. Okay. Next number you see 3 number. This was 2 number. This is 3 number A. Okay. Please see, color the circle with the smallest number red. Now you see here, this is interesting. We have to color the circle with the smaller number red. 2 circles are given. Okay. 2 circles are given. In one circle 7 is written. In one circle 8 is written. Okay. In one circle 7, in one circle 8. Okay. So which one is the smaller one? We have to color the circle with the smaller number red. So 7 is smaller. So you color it with red. Okay. Please color it with red. This I gave you homework in the live class to do it. I am showing you now how to do it. You color it with red. Okay. Do it yourself. Try to do all these things yourself. Okay. How you can color, no problem. Okay. But the main thing is that you have to do it. You have to practice all these things. So 7 and 8, which number was smaller? 7 was smaller. So 7 we have colored red. Okay. Next one you see 10 and 9. Okay. 10 and 9. You see here 10 and 9. Okay. So you see 10 and 9. Which one is smaller? 9 is smaller. Okay, so color it with red. can easily do that. Okay. So out of 10 and 9, 9 is the smaller one, color it with red. Number C, 2 and 1. 1 is smaller, color it with red. D, 3 and 6. 3 is smaller, color it with red. Number E, 4 and 5. 4 is smaller, color it with red. Okay. Number F, 7 and 2. 2 is smaller, color it with red. Okay. So these are the activities you are going to do. Alright. You have to do all these activities. So till page 8, you please do it. Okay. Till page 8, you please do. Alright. This will be an activity for you as well as fun. Okay. So please do. Today we have done page number 5, page number 6, page number 7 and page number 8 we have done today. Okay. Thank you children. Please follow whatever I taught in this class. Okay. Thank you.